AI-powered omnichannel strategy. Build a dominant personal brand across every platform. You're posting content, but no one's really seeing it. You're doing all these things, reels, shorts, carousels, blogs, podcasts, and yet crickets. You're burnt out, questioning if you're cut out for this digital thing. But what if I told you the real secret isn't doing more? It's about doing the right things with the right system and using the AI the smart way. My name is Ola. I am a 20-year certified author of the book Digital Marketing Certified and many other books. I've been personally responsible for over $3 million in digital sales and revenue, helping clients across the globe. Over the past 15 years, I've built a thriving digital ecosystem and network. And I'm also the creator of my Empire Pro and AI Lab Pro. And if you haven't already, go grab a free copy of the book at digitalmarketingcertified.com or click the link around this video. Inside, we go even deeper into how to systematize your entire brand and marketing using real frameworks, not fluff. Let's get into what you really came here for. We're about to unpack 3 powerful secrets that are going to flip everything you thought you knew about content, personal branding, and AI tools right on its head. Because let's be honest, you don't need another post 3 times a day guru pep talk. You need a system, a path, a plan. That's what we're diving into. Secret number 1, most creators are building a house without a foundation. Let's call this what it is: chaotic posting. A little here, a little there, then nothing for 2 weeks. Then suddenly a streak of 5 posts in one day because motivation strikes. Then burnout, then repeat. Sound familiar? The real problem is not your motivation. It's that you've never been shown the right structure. Here's the truth. Every dominant personal brand you admire has something in common: a long-term content framework designed to position them as a trusted authority everywhere, all the time. And that's not done manually. They're leveraging AI-powered planning systems to build once, distribute everywhere, and remain consistent with half the effort. We do this inside my Empire Pro with a mix of AI-generated outlines and human storytelling. The result? You look and feel omnipresent without burning out. We had a client who was stuck making 1 YouTube video every month. After applying our long-form first strategy powered by AI content generation tools, she went from 1 video to over 20 pieces of content a week without creating more. She just created smarter. She's now getting speaking invites and consistent sales from leads who say, "I see you everywhere." That's not magic, that's system. And the foundation is simple. Start with the long-form anchor content, like a YouTube video, podcast episode, a blog, and let AI break it into multiple snippets, quotes, email segments, and social posts. Our system does this on autopilot using the AI content tools inside AI Lab Pro and some simple templates. It's about removing you from being the bottleneck. If you want to create this kind of structure, make sure you're not stuck doing everything manually. Your tools should be doing the heavy lifting. We use this hosting and landing page platform that gives us unlimited pages, funnels, digital real estate to build and deploy everything without paying thousands for tech stacks. And speaking of heavy lifting, please smash that like button if this is already giving you a little clarity. Subscribe, share it with a friend or enemy, and hit follow. Now let's keep going. Secret number 2, you don't have to be everywhere, but you do have to feel like you are. Here's what's wild. People think omnipresence means you have to personally show up on every platform 24/7. That's a one-way trip to burnout city. Population, you. Let's reframe this. You don't have to be everywhere. You just need to feel like you are. And that's where AI shines. You see, with our system, we help clients take one idea, just one, and turn it into a week's worth of content that appears across Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, and even your email list. We once helped a solopreneur coach who swore she didn't have time to post everywhere. Turns out she didn't need more time. She needed a system. We took her weekly live stream, fed it through an AI transcription tool, and then auto-spun it into daily emails, carousel posts, shorts, quote cards, and even mini blog articles optimized for Google and even the LLMs. She went from 0 leads to over 400 new subscribers and 3 high-ticket clients in 30 days just by finally showing up strategically. To make this work, you need 3 things: a weekly anchor content, the one you can commit to, video, audio, or written, an AI-assisted breakdown system to repurpose it. That's what we built in AI Lab Pro. That's how we set things up. A content deployment schedule that your team or tools handle, not you. And don't sleep on email. Your social media may attract attention, but email is where the real nurturing and converting happens. That's why we built an AI-friendly email automation platform at myempirepro.com/email marketing. It's an affiliate tool. You can use it. That's what we use. It allows us to send follow-ups, promos, and nurture content automatically, even when you're sleeping. Because let's be honest, if you're not following up, you're leaving money in the DMs. Secret number 3, community will carry you further than content ever will. This is the big one. Content is the bait, yes. The brand is the bridge, yes. But community is the glue that keeps your business from falling apart. The biggest mistake I see creators and digital age entrepreneurs make is focusing all their energy on content creation, but none on building an actual tribe. Let me break it to you. Posting content without building community is like hosting a party and forgetting to invite guests. That's why we help clients build what we call a central hub. This is where your people, your followers, your real followers, leads, and buyers gather. It might be a free Facebook group, a Discord server, a private forum, or better yet, a WhatsApp group, or better yet, your own digital membership site. We use this membership platform, and the same one that we use and recommend, we use to build powerful digital communities and product delivery systems. Clients get access to exclusive trainings, courses, masterminds, and more, all automated and centralized and all on brand. And here's what happens when you do this right. Your content now feeds your community fuels your conversion, and your conversion bring in loyal customers will refer more people back into the system. We've seen this turn sleepy 6-figure brands into 7-figure ecosystems with no extra ads, no extra effort, just alignment and automation. It's the flywheel effect, and it's real. When you combine AI-powered automation, omnichannel content strategy, and community building, you stop hustling, you start leading. You become the voice people turn to, trust, and buy from. And if you think, Ola, that sounds amazing, but I'm just one person. Perfect. That's exactly who we built the system for. Now, look, we've covered a lot. So let's bring it on. First, stop trying to be everywhere without a plan. Build from a foundation. Start with one powerful piece of content each week and let AI do the rest. Second, remember, it's not about where you are, it's about where you feel like you are. Use AI tools to repurpose, redistribute, and re-engage across all platforms without lifting a finger every day. And third, build your brand on community, not just content. Whether it's a free group or a full-blown membership site, give your audience a place to belong. That's where the real brand equity lives. Don't let another week go by chasing algorithms instead of building assets. And if this sounds like something you want to build, not just dream about, make sure to get your free copy of Digital Marketing Certified. This book right here, you can get it at digitalmarketingcertified.com or click the link around this video. Inside, we break down the fundamentals of all this stuff before you start using AI tools, and evergreen framework to build an unshakable personal brand using AI. And I promise you, is the exact strategy we've used to help hundreds of creators, coaches, business owners, or finally scale. Now, here's my question to you. What's been your biggest struggle when it comes to building your personal brand, consistency, content ideas, or just tech overwhelm? What has been your biggest struggle? Drop it in the comments. I read them all, and don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.